Hello, my name is Mike Pettigrew. I'd like to share with you some rather disturbing news about the future of the mortgage industry and how you can avoid it. I was speaking with one of our mortgage lead clients recently. He is a major lender based in California, and he has just asked us to quadruple his lead generation campaign over the next few weeks. Since he is already employing a large number of our agents, I asked him why he wanted to ramp up his campaign so quickly. His reply was both illuminating and disturbing. Brian explained that due to the changes in the market, he sees the road ahead for mortgage brokers being very bumpy. He feels that within the next 6 months we will be at a position where many homeowners will be in a negative equity position, where their homes will be worth less than their borrowings. He also explained how he believes that a lot of mortgage brokers will be going out of business soon because of the increased competition. With fee slashing becoming a very common practice, the only way brokers can survive while cutting their own rates is to close a greater number of deals. Brian told me that he believes that the only brokers who will weather the storms ahead are those who buy quality mortgage leads in large quantities. He said that most brokers who do not start buying large numbers of quality leads may be out of business within 6 months. This is quite shocking, as I'm sure you will agree. Now let me explain why Mailing List Factory's mortgage leads are so much better and how they can help your business to thrive during difficult times. Also the reason why we are offering them at a much lower cost than you are currently paying. So what makes my company and what we are offering so different? Well, it's mainly because of our high level of transparency and the reason why we choose to offer our leads at low cost. Most mortgage lead providers charge a high price per lead. Although Mailing List Factory can work on a pay per lead basis, the way you can save a massive amount of money is to use our lead generation service on an hourly telemarketing rate. Just to give you a clear idea of the sort of savings you can expect by using our service, let me give you some concrete examples. Hiring our agents on a full-time basis will cost you from $700 per week down to as low as $500 per week, depending on the number of agents you use. Now, considering that each of our agents generates an average of 5 quality leads daily, this means your cost per lead can average between $30 down to as low as only $20 per exclusive lead. This also includes live transfers to your loan officers. The bottom line, our leads can cost you between 50% and 75% less than our competitors. All leads are exclusive and you can choose your own agents who work for you and you alone. This gives you complete control of your campaign and allows you to develop a strong, trusting relationship with your own agents. Quality is also guaranteed as you get call recordings for every lead generated. We even give you an online portal where you can see your leads being generated in real time. Now this is very useful, especially when taking live transfers, as you have the client's details right in front of you on your computer screen. Nobody else is offering this sort of personal service at such low cost. Okay, now you're probably wondering why we are being so stupid to be offering our mortgage leads at such crazy low rates. Well, what we want is clients who work with us on a long-term basis. We also want to knock your socks off with our highly personal service and give you great results at really low cost. We believe that by giving you this unusually high level of service, we can be sure you will recommend us to all your friends in the industry. Actually, because so many brokers have had their fingers burnt in the past, we realize that we really must prove ourselves to you before you start to recommend us to others. Now that's why we suggest that you start with us only on a small basis, and once you get great results and start appreciating the benefits of our service, only then ramp up at a rate that is comfortable for you. This is the complete opposite of what most lead companies try to get you to do. Also, by starting small, you reduce your risk dramatically and you can be sure of seeing results quickly. Almost all our clients who start out small decide to ramp up after the first week or two. So, once we have proved ourselves to you, I am confident that you also will wish to hire more agents. You can get started with only a single agent, but I would strongly recommend using two. This is because when you are using two or more agents, they can use a predictive dialer that can double the number of homeowners contacted each day. This higher level of efficiency means more leads generated for you each day. Okay, let's be frank here. Testing any mortgage leads company is going to cost you a few $1,000s without any real idea of what you're going to get in return. However, you can get started with us for as little as $700, and if you are not completely satisfied, after 2 weeks you can cancel our service without being penalized in any way. So to summarize, we give you complete control over your lead generation, your own online portal, recordings of every lead generated, and your own agents who work for you and you alone. Finally, take action right now. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Simply fill out the form below and we will send you a full proposal and sample mortgage leads so you can get started fast. You will receive your sample leads and proposal by email in less than 1 minute from now. But before I go, I really need to explain that since our service is in such great demand, you really will need to reserve your campaign without delay. Although we are constantly recruiting and training new agents, there is a limit to the number of new clients we can take on at any one time. This is because virtually all our clients ask us to ramp up within the first 2 weeks, and sometimes the demand for our agents can exceed supply. So please don't delay. Just fill out the form below to receive your sample leads and proposal in 1 minute from now. Thank you for watching.